plan. The concrete base is constructed at the designated location, and the silo components are prefabricated in the factory and transported to the site one after another. Install the hopper. Set up a working platform. Hoist the uncoiler, forming machine, bending machine, and other equipment to the working surface with a crane, and connect the bending machine to the support wheel bracket. Hoist the tensioning ring to the warehouse roof platform and adjust the position so that it's located in the center of the foundation. Hoist other materials and place them on the workbench and count them. Place a coil material on the uncoiler, cut off the cable tie, manually turn the steel strip into the entrance of the forming machine. Start the forming machine. The steel strip is continuously rolled through the forming machine, and the upper and lower sides of the steel strip are bent to from the required structure. Start the bending machine so that the formed steel strip enters and feeds continuously and is occluded by the bending machine. If the storage medium is liquid, it's necessary to add sealant before occlusal. After 2 weeks of continuous feeding, stop feeding. Cut upper plane and install the lower tension ring, purlin, warehouse roof cover, and safety guardrail. After the construction of the roof of the warehouse is completed, continue to start feeding, and the warehouse body starts to roll in a spiral manner. After the beam body is rolled to a suitable height, the feeding is stopped, and reinforcing ribs are installed inside the beam body. Through continuously feeding at intervals, the reinforcing ribs in the beam body are gradually installed. After the silo is built to the design height, stop feeding. Measure the height of the lower edge of the silo. Draw a line to mark the lower edge plane, and cut the lower plane on site. Reversely rotate the beam body so that the beam body moves down along the track of the supporting wheels until it falls on the credit foundation, and the beam door is opened at the designed position. Weld the reinforcing ribs in the warehouse body and the pre-embedded connectors of the foundation firmly, and the warehouse body is built, and the spiral support of the warehouse body is removed. Use concrete to pour the reserved seam between the wall of the warehouse body and the foundation, to make the warehouse body and the foundation airtight. The same method can be used for large-scale silo group projects, and multiple sets of equipment can be rolled at the same time to meet the requirements of rapid installation. After the silo is completed, the silo trial loading can be carried out after installing the feeding and conveying equipment on the top of the silo and discharging equipment under the silo. After the trial installation, the silo can be officially operated.